Sir, there were a lot of questions from the students regarding UPSC preparation because there are a lot of aspirants, and most of the questions were like, what is the right time to start the preparation? There was a question about optional subject, that how should we choose that, and how do we prepare ourselves in lines with the IIT curriculum, like if we want to start our preparation right from IIT days, so how can we balance both these things? So what is your piece of advice to the aspirants?
Again, a disclaimer. The answer will vary from person to person.
Definitely.
So for instance, somebody who has been reading newspapers since class 5 will need to spend a lot less time compared to somebody who has just taken up newspapers in the third year of IIT. So, but again, let me go to a higher level of abstraction and try to give the most general answer possible. On the optional, the generally accepted methodology is this. Try to narrow down the subjects you are interested in, which you have an attitude for and which you have an aptitude for. So this could be, for instance, 5 to 6 subjects. You could be interested in, let's say, a bouquet of subjects, which would include geography or public administration, political science, mathematics, physics, electrical, engineering. The next step should be to get hold of the syllabus for each of these subjects and the past few years' question papers. Now, these are available in the market. Then have a look at all these 5 or 6 subjects, because ultimately nobody else can make this decision for you. Nobody else, not your teachers, not your parents, nobody. You have to choose, you have to make this decision. But the approach could be as follows. So narrow down your subject list to 5 or 4 or 5 or 6. Get hold of the syllabi booklets as well as the past year's question papers. Go through them. Say take about 10 to 15 days to go through them in details, and then make the best guess estimate of where you are likely to score the highest marks. Because for UPSC, I would differ from the learning concept. This is an exam. Here your objective is to score as many marks as possible and get the rank. Right. So then take your call. Generally for IITians, I would suggest that try to stick to one of the subjects that you're strong in, and these include subjects like mathematics, physics, chemistry, or even engineering subjects. I think we have electrical engineering, we have mechanical engineering.
Yes.
And because many engineers, they end up taking social science subjects like public administration, geography is another popular subject, political science is popular, sociology is popular. I have always held a contrarian view to that. I believe that if you are IITian, you have already spent considerable time in science subjects, and also your 4 years at IIT, you have been in touch with engineering subjects and subjects like physics, chemistry. So they have already given you an edge, and you already start at an advantage if you take these subjects. But again, it's a personal recommendation. The ultimate outcome will vary from person to person. On time of preparation, I think a generally reasonable time to devote would be about 1 year ahead of the mains exam, which makes it about 6 months before the preliminary exam. So if the prelims are to start in May, I think that's the time, at least during my time, prelims used to happen in May or June. So your serious preparation, very serious preparation, certainly start from October or November onwards. I think you're comfortably placed if you can do that. But please do get into the habit of reading good newspapers, good magazines, current affairs, watching news well in advance. I think that I'm sure most of the students are doing that already, but I think you can never start too early on the news. Start during your school days, start during your first year, second year. If you haven't yet, start today, but that should be priority number 1. And if you are reasonably updated on the current affairs, about 1 year time is sufficient before the mains exam. But having said that, Tushar, I'll be very happy if individual students want to get in touch and want to get a personalized answer to this question. I'll share my contact details with you, and you can pass them on. I'll be very happy to answer your questions.
Sure, sir. And sir, if you could tell us that what newspapers or magazines you used to refer while your preparation?
So things might have changed. I would not treat them as perfect indicators because many new options might have come up. So while I can share with you what I read, but treat them with many pinches of salt, because many new publications might have come up in the last several years. So on the magazines, I used to refer to Frontline. I used to refer to a magazine called Civil Services Chronicle, Economic and Political Weekly, and also used to refer to international publications sometimes, like The Economist. For my domestic news, I think I used to glance through newspapers like the Indian Express, and also read editorials from the Economic Times, only the editorials part. And another perennial favorite with the civil service students is the Hindu, which is a great newspaper. So, but I used to balance between the Hindu and the Indian Express, did not remain confined to the Hindu. So I think, and also watch news debates regularly in the evening.